Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in averages. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here a person of 64 kgs is replaced by a person of 72 kgs. So friends, then the total increase of weight, the total increase in the weight of group of all the X students is 72 minus 64, 8 kgs. This is the total increase in the weight of the group. Friends, it is also given that the average of all the X students is increased by 0.25. 0.25 means 1 by 4. So, the average of all the X students is increased by 1 by 4. Average increased by 1 by 4 means the total increase is equal to X into 1 by 4. X into 1 by 4. So, this X into 1 by 4 is equal to the total increase. X is equal to 32 is your answer friends. Thank you.